Hey, food lovers! Today, let's dive into the delicious world of Thai milk tea. Ever wondered where this vibrant, orange-hued drink comes from? You're in for a treat. Thai milk tea, or cha yen, has its roots in Thailand and dates back to the early 20th century. When tea became a popular import, Thai locals started experimenting, blending black tea with sweet condensed milk and sometimes a hint of star anise or tamarind. The result? A unique, creamy, and refreshing beverage that's now loved worldwide. But wait, there's more. You might have heard of Thai iced tea, which is essentially the same drink but served cold, often over crushed ice. This chilled version is perfect for hot, tropical climates, giving you a sweet and cool escape in every sip. If you're a bubble tea fan, you've probably tried Thai milk bubble tea. This variant takes it up a notch by adding chewy tapioca pearls, making it a fun and satisfying drink and snack combo. How about Thai green tea with milk? This is a delightful twist, using green tea leaves instead of black, giving it a lighter, more floral flavor. Perfect for those who prefer a milder tea experience. Curious to try making it at home? The classic Thai milk tea recipe is simple. Brew strong black tea, mix in sweetened condensed milk, and pour over ice. For an authentic touch, add a splash of evaporated milk on top. So, next time you sip on this colorful concoction, remember its rich history and the love that goes into every cup. Cheers to discovering the delicious origins of Thai milk tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tales from around the world. Bye for now.